Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Or if you are new, my name is Hichem and this is Vistas by Hichem. I started this channel with one idea in mind, which is capturing moment that matters and share it in a way which feels real. Whether it's like a crazy festival in the city, or just a peaceful walk by the river, or just random adventure. I want you to feel like you are there with me. But it's more than just vlogging. This is my way of storytelling. Every shot and every transition, every sound, I feel it like it's a mini film. Because I'm not just showing you where I go, I show you how I see the world. And yeah, I do it all by myself, filming, editing and color grading, because I love it. I'm a filmmaker and a content creator, and I'm ready to take this to the next level. If you are into adventure and real visual art, you are in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and join me as I turn every moment into cinematic shots. Now I'm done talking, let's go out.